crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
What a good boy, Bart.
Yeah, he loves this stuff.
Dee, you want to come in and feed him?
Yeah.
And like I said, you guys are more than welcome to pet him while he's eating. It does not bother him at all. He's an animal who will very much tell you if he needs a break, if he doesn't like where you're petting him, how you're petting him. He's a really good boy about letting you know.
Well, that's good.
Because I have some animals who will just sit there and take it until they're mad.
He doesn't like me petting his arm.
Yeah. It's the hands that he's not a big fan of having touched. I
Look
think-
at him, he
I
just
think
loves
they're
it.
ticklish.
He loves it. Here you go.
And it's okay for him to touch you. His nails are not sharp.
No,
I'm
he's a
little aware.
cutie.
His nails are just for climbing with.
You pet him?
Here,
Pet him.
what's your
No,
hair?
go and feed him.
You already?
And Bart is a Linnaeus' two-toed sloth, so this is actually the largest
Hey,
species
baby.
of sloth out there, and they are also considered
Wait, he's
to
not
be
done
the
yet.
fastest species of sloth. It's kind of like being the tallest of the seven dwarfs.
He is so
it's not that
cute.
impressive.
You like that, huh, baby?
It's like, oh, thank you. If
He
Bart
loves-
had his way, he'd be hand-fed every single piece of food he ever encountered in his life. He gets upset with me when I put a bowl in here that he has to feed himself out of.
Aww.
Can you imagine if he was in the wild?
What a princess.
Yes.
Honestly, that's how a lot of animals are. At least here. They're
How-
like,
How do they drink? Do they drink like dogs?
So what he'll do is he gets most of his water from his food, first of all, but also, so he has a water dish right there.
Right.
He'll go and he'll lay upside down next to it or in it sometimes, and he'll dunk his nails in it and use them almost like a ladle. And he'll kind of dribble the water on his mouth and then lick the rest off of the nails.
Okay.
It's not efficient, but it works. Yeah. And I've only seen him drink 3 times. I've worked with him for 3 years. So about once a year I get to see the sloth drink,
Yeah.
which is impressive because I spend thousands of hours in here a year.